to a 2. Very good.
Now do I change this one?
Nope, that one stays the same right now. Got a fun breakfast this morning, y'all. We're gonna make some cinnamon fruit biscuits. I went back and forth trying to decide what I wanted to do with these 2 cans of biscuits here. I can't even remember why I have these. I think it was I ordered something from Walmart and they didn't have them and they substituted for like a 4-pack of these, I think. And we used 2 of them, but these 2 have been sitting in there. We're gonna use them this morning. I was gonna make maybe like a Christmas wreath and put some scrambled eggs in the middle, but I think we'll try these cinnamon fruit biscuits this morning. So all you gotta do is mix up some cinnamon and sugar. We're gonna open our biscuits. I've got the oven preheating to 350. So we just dip them in the cinnamon mixture and put them on the pan. You can make little cinnamon roll bites with these canned biscuits too. Chop them up into little pieces. You can use the bigger biscuits for that too, and just dip them in a cinnamon sugar mixture and bake them like that. Make a little frosting to go over them. Be like little cinnamon bites. Oh, one more. Okay. Most of my spoons and spatulas don't have a round end on the handle. This one does, but it's about the same size as this little spreader. So I'm just going to use the spreader. We're just going to press down in the middle of the biscuit. I can move this out of our way. We're just going to make a little spot to put the preserves. We're going to use blackberry preserves. You can use any kind of jam, jelly, or preserves you want to use. Let's see if I have some strawberry. If I do, I'll do strawberry and blackberry. Let's see if I have any strawberry kind over here. Oh, yes, we do. We have apple or our gigantic, oh, actually this isn't strawberry, it's 4 fruit. It's strawberries, cherries, red currants, and raspberries. We'll use some of this. It's the gigantic one that we got from Costco. So we'll do some of this 4 fruit and some of the blackberry. You just drop a little bit in the middle of each biscuit. These just go in the oven for about 13 to 15 minutes until the biscuits are done. Okay, the biscuits are done. We're just going to sprinkle a little bit more of the cinnamon mixture over the top. You could also make a glaze if you wanted to do the glaze on top. We're just going to put a little more of the cinnamon mixture. Give them a little sparkle there on top. That's it. That's great, y'all. Y'all remember those biscuits Hardee's used to have? I don't know if they still have them anymore. We don't have a Hardee's around here. They used to have a blueberry biscuit. It wasn't like the Bowberry biscuit at Bojangles. It was kind of like this, where the blueberry filling stuff was in the middle of the biscuit. And if I remember right, they put a glaze over the top, and all those things were amazing. That's what these remind me of. They're really good. You can put whatever fruit filling you want to put in there. Be careful though, that fruit filling gets hot. Y'all let that cool down. Ingles has good sales again this week, y'all. So we're going in here to get some of those, and we got to get some stuff for suppers and some stuff for part 2 of Christmas candy making. These oranges are on sale, 4-pound bags for $3.88. Cilantro, right here. I forgot my list, so Tyler sent me pictures of it. And we need some garlic, bananas, Okay, let's see if the next section came through yet, Manny. They got fruitcake supplies right here. I need some rolls for sliders, but I'm gonna look at the bread section and see if there's any cheaper than the King's Hawaiian. Sometimes they might have some on sale. These brioche buns, Nature's Own brioche buns are on sale. That'll be good. For $2.97. Peanut butter is on sale for $4.98. These big things of Jif. At Walmart, they're almost $7. So where's a big regular Jif? We need a 40 ounce. Is this regular? That's extra crunchy. Do they have a regular creamy? What's back here? There it is. Creamy. It was in the back. Here's a regular creamy, but it's the last one. I'll leave that one for somebody else. Ritz are on sale, buy one, get one free. See, Townhouse Original is on sale for $2.98. Ritz buy one, get one free makes them $2.99. We need ketchup. We need about 30 big marshmallows. The Laura Lynn ones sometimes taste like perfume, so I'm gonna skip those. We'll get jet puffed. I need 5 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. The Nestle Toll House is on sale for $2.98. Laura Lynn is $3.98, so we will go with this. Now this is, let's see, 12 ounces for $2.98. How much is this? 24 ounces for $7.98. Oh yeah, this is a better deal. To get the smaller bags. You're getting the same amount for just $6 instead of $8. I think I need 3 bags of these too. I need some Christmas mini M&Ms. Yep, that's them. Crisco's on sale for $3.98, but Laura Lynn is $2.68, same amount. Ragu pasta sauce is buy one, get one free. We'll do, they have chunky traditional. Where's just regular traditional? Everybody's buying up the traditional. These little gift card holders are cute. They're $1.48. It's mistletoe.
Is the mistletoe stick into the toe?
No. All right, y'all, we're back home. I'm gonna show you what I got real quick. It was really busy in there. I was trying to kind of tell y'all the sales as we were going through, but it was a lot busier than I thought it would be. And I also forgot the list, and I had my sale stuff written down on the list, and I was trying to look at it on those pictures on the phone that Tyler sent. So anyway.
Does this look like one, Mama?
Oh yeah, uh-oh. So I mostly just shopped the sales, and I got a few things that I needed for the Christmas candies. We're gonna be finishing those up tonight, I think. And I got the stuff that I needed for the rest of the meal plan for this weekend. So we'll start over here. I got some Applewood smoked bacon. This big pack of ground beef, half of this is gonna be for a winter chili that we're gonna make. The other half is gonna be for sliders that we're gonna have on Sunday. I'm pretty sure Sunday is gonna be our Christmas ornament decorating day, and we're gonna do some little cheeseburger sliders that night. So that's for that. Got 2 packs of these Nature's Own brioche style butter rolls. Those are for the sliders. I got some ketchup. The Jif peanut butter, I showed y'all this one in the store. It was only $4.98, and this size is almost $7 at Walmart, so that was a really good deal. I was gonna get 2 of them, but there was only 1 left, so I left that one in case somebody else is coming in there looking for that $4.98 Jif creamy. I got this big can of diced tomatoes, that's for the chili, and then I got some white chili beans and regular chili beans. Some sweetened condensed milk, we need that for one of the candies. I got the Townhouse crackers since they were a penny cheaper than the Ritz, and neither one of them had the Christmas crackers, so I got Townhouse. I need green food coloring for one of the Christmas things, so I got that. And I got these mini M&Ms. I didn't notice though these were peanut butter ones. Peanut butter minis, that's dangerous. I'll be having to hide those for myself. Peanut butter M&Ms are my favorite of the M&M family. I got some pecans. 3 packs of the white baking chips. The Nestle ones were on sale. I did check on Walmart. Let's see, I wrote it down on here, I think. What did I write down? Same as Greek Delight. Okay, so the price that these are on sale at Ingles is the same price for the same amount at Walmart, but the Great Value brand. So that was a good deal on those. I got 3 of the white ones and then 3 semi-sweet. We needed some marshmallows for one of the Christmas candies, and for some reason, I don't know why, but the marshmallows at our Ingles, the Laura Lynn marshmallows and the Laura Lynn powdered sugar taste like perfume or something. I don't know why, but every single time, and it's been that way for years now. I don't know what it is. Other Laura Lynn stuff is fine, but the marshmallows and the powdered sugar have a weird taste to them, so I just went ahead and got jet puffed. Oh, we got 2 jars of ragu. They were on sale. I think they were buy one, get one free. That made them $1.68 a jar, so that was a really good deal. Got 2 of those. Got some sugar, tea bags, barbecue chips. That's to go with the night we have the sliders. I got 2 pizzas. I was gonna get the Wild Mike's. I thought it was the big ones on sale for 2 for $7, but it was the little one, so I just went with Tony's instead. I got a big box of cornflakes and some Rice Krispies. Those are both for some of the Christmas candies. Got vegetable oil, maple syrup, half and half. International Delight Creamer was on sale for $2.98. That was a good deal. And I got 2 gallons of milk, onions, oranges, some peppers, limes, garlic, cilantro, bananas, and the cheese was a really good deal. I forget what it was. Let's see. It was buy one, get one free, so that made them $1.59 a block. I got 2 pepper jack, 2 sharp, and 2 medium. All right, that's it. I'm gonna get this stuff put up. The kids will be finished with their schoolwork in just probably about an hour and a half, and then Christmas candy time again. We didn't get to make the candy cane crunch the other day because Walmart didn't substitute us enough white chocolate chips, so we're gonna make that. And I have, I think, 4 other Christmas candies that we're gonna make because we didn't have enough to fill up our little gift boxes, so it's new ones too. Y'all make sure you come back for that. And I think Prancer might have a little announcement during that candy making, so make sure you don't miss it.